everyone, thank you so much for joining. Today we are making one of my favorite green juices, and I wanted to share this recipe with you guys because I've had people ask me to show, Christina, let me see your let me see one of your green juices or just one of your juices because as you all know, Soul Made Naturally is a cold pressed juice business that I've started, and I have incorporated other modalities to Soul Made Naturally. But initially, Soul Made Naturally was a cold pressed juice company designed to help people detox and to work on their mind, body, and soul. So one of these favorite juices is my all organic celery, apple, ginger, lemon, cucumber. And I enjoy making this juice because it literally detoxifies your gut. It cleans you out and it works wonders for you if you're looking to cleanse, especially with the cucumber is 90 to 95% water, and celery as well. It just has so many nutrients that cleanses your gut and your lymphatic system. The ginger also pulls as an astringent, and the lemon also adds that acidity to it, which when it enters your body, is so good for you. So I wanted to share this. I hope you guys enjoyed the share. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. We have celery, apple, ginger, lemon, cucumber juice. This is one of my favorites to make, and we're about to get into it. Usually, too, I want to mention that celery juice by itself, first thing when you wake up, when you get up and stuff, literally is so good for you to start your day with. If you follow a medical medium, he talks all about celery juice, but this baby right here is one of my favorites to make. So yeah, you just find what works for you, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.